I'm sorry about that. My phone rang and I got booted out. I don't know who that was. I didn't even answer it. Did not even answer it. Somebody, it was a local number, but I don't know who it was. I was like, hey, get in the middle of my time with my girls. I know. The phone rang. They left a voicemail. There we go. I don't know who that is. Somebody called me. Somebody local. I hope I'm not supposed to be somewhere. I don't think so. I'm not supposed to have anything planned this morning except to be with you. And then I have a coaching call at 12:45. And that's it. And then the afternoon, the boys are leaving today. Max and Charlie have something awesome going on. And they're going to go do a guy thing. And that's going to leave Maggie and I here to have a girls' afternoon. So we are going to watch Once Upon a Time. That is our favorite show. So we're going to catch up on that. Oh, thank you, Knit Nut. I am feeling better. It was all girly stuff. Some months, girly stuff just kind of knocks me on my butt. And this week, it just knocked me on my butt. And when I'm feeling yucky, I just don't want to, I just want to stay on the couch and wrap myself in heating pads. And that's what I did. So that's why I wasn't up to snuff on Thursday. Team Broccoli, hello. I am learning to become a coach. I am in training and I'll have my certification in February. So I just got started. I'm only, I'm almost a month into it and it goes all the way through February. And then by mid-February, I have an exam and then I'll pass the exam, of course, and then will be a certified personal coach. So I'm looking forward to that. Apple 82. Good morning, Apple 82. That's a great handle. I love it. Apples and broccoli and knitting. This is cool. Where did Annette go? Annette, did you make it back? I don't know if I'm making it to the bottom of this smoothie. I'm giving myself a headache. Thank you. It's one of my, well, I've explained why I wanted to be a personal coach before, but it really, I'm using the opportunity to better what I'm doing here online. You know, I'm always I have myself in this wonderful place of meeting wonderful people like you, and more times, more and more, the more popular my YouTube channel grows and the more social I become, more people come to me and they ask me, you know, how to transition to plant-based, or they ask me questions about how to get around certain obstacles. And it's really all about setting goals and having, you know, starting new habits. And so in order for me to really help somebody, I need to be trained in how to help people like that. You know, not help people like that. I mean, to help people, you know, in a productive environment. And so so I looked into personal coaching or health and wellness coaching. I won't be able to call myself a health and wellness coach because I don't have a medical background, but I'm receiving the same training as a health and wellness coach. So without the medical training, I will be a certified personal coach, which is just as good. I'll get the same. Oh, hey, wow! I get the same training, and I can benefit everyone just the same. So I'm really excited about it. Okay, what? Knit Nut says Apple 82 is my daughter. Oh, that's so sweet. That's right. Yeah, Apple 82. Old habits are hard to break. But with goal setting and recognizing our strengths, acknowledging our challenges, but using our strengths to overcome our challenges, we can make new habits. Knit says, I tell my husband often that I need a life coach. It's really interesting. The more I study it, I'm like, wow, I think I need a life coach. It'd be awesome. Missy Croc, you'll be my volunteer. You'll volunteer too. Awesome. It is really cool. I'm very excited to be able to to study this stuff. Like last Tuesday night, we talked about self-care. That's one of the things, in coaching that I'm learning about for myself, but also to help clients recognize how to take care of themselves. Sherry asks, so what are you making first out of the cookbook? Did I miss what recipe you chose? No. No, yeah, I didn't get that far because somebody called and kicked us off. All right, let me look. Okay, 5 ingredients, y'all. Okay, classic pancake and biscuit mix. 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 5 tablespoons of ground flax seeds, 3 tablespoons organic sugar, 2 tablespoons baking powder. Tablespoons, I said it. And a half a teaspoon of sea salt. Can you see that, Knit Nut? I just got this yesterday. It's by Miyoka Shinner. Okay, she says to combine all these ingredients in a large bowl and whisk until thoroughly combined, 2 or 3 minutes, and then you store it in an airtight container or Ziploc bags in your pantry for up to 6 months. Oh, yeah. Okay, now let's see. Where's the biscuit part? How do I turn it into biscuits? Tell me how to turn it into a biscuit. It's not butter-free. Dang it. Okay, all right, so next page. Fluffy biscuits. This is what she says. There's the picture she shows us. There's no finished product picture, though. That doesn't give me any security. I want to see the finished product, not the raw product. All right, so here's what she says. Okay, these biscuits are as light as air with a delicate crumb, she says. Pictured opposite, but that's raw dough, so that's not really a picture. Okay, so you take 2 cups of this classic pancake biscuit mix that we just did, and then you add a 1/3 cup of cold, glorious, butterless butter. That was on page 58. I haven't read that yet. And then then you cut the butter into 1/2-inch pieces, 3/4 cup non-dairy milk, and 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. All right, because we already know where that's coming from, right? We're going to take the milk and the apple cider vinegar. Wait, I won't jump. Maybe it's not, but I'm thinking she's going to make buttermilk biscuits. Okay, so we're going to preheat the oven, 400 degrees. How long would this take? You think I could do this right now? How much time do we have? Y'all going anywhere? Oh, I can't stay on too long. I can't be real long. Let's see. I can do this in an hour, can I? Let's make fluffy biscuits. You want to? Let's do it. Hold on. Hold on. Let me turn off my computer. Let's go make fluffy biscuits. Let's see if they're really fluffy and light as air. Ooh, I need some power, too. Let's make fluffy biscuits. Fluffy biscuits. Ah, hold on. All right, hold on. What do I need to set the oven to? 400 degrees. No, not the timer. Come on. All right, oven set to 400 degrees. I love being in the kitchen with you, Jill. Ah! Knit Nut says it has coconut oil or canola oil. Yippee, fluffy biscuits. All right, let's see. Hold on, let me get your legs on. Hold on. Okay. How am I going to do this? All right, I got to... make you tall. It's not going to be an oil-free recipe. So don't expect that. Okay, can you see the pantry all right? I wish y'all were here. I wish one of you was here. Okay, first I got to go back to the mix. So I need 4 cups of flour. Okay, I need flour. Hold on. I got flour. Ground flaxseed. I might have to grind some flaxseed. Where's my flaxseed? Uh-oh. I'm almost out of flaxseed. How much do I need? 5 5 tablespoons. I got enough. Organic sugar. Baking powder. Sea salt. I got table salt. I got regular old table salt. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Okay. I think it was the brand new vegan blog. Oh, y'all are talking. Good. Keep yourself busy. Hold on. Then I need some butter. Okay, I won't have time to make her glorious butter, so I'm just going to use my flaxseed butter. Hope I have enough. How much? Woo, just barely. Okay, I'm using Smart Balance flaxseed. Okay, it's non-GMO and it's vegan and it's made with flaxseed oil. Okay. All right. I need some milk and some vinegar. Milk and vinegar. And I got unsweetened plain silk. How much milk do I need? Yeah, that's enough. Just enough. Okay. Okay. Let me set you up so you can see what I'm doing. All right, y'all talk, because I can't read from this far and put stuff together, but y'all can watch. Is that far enough back? Okay, there we go. I'll just use both of these. Okay, and I need my measuring cups. Oh, there's my spoony thingy. Measuring cups, spatula, whisk. Measuring. Okay, I gotta grind my flaxseed. Get my power. Just a second. I got an old coffee grinder here. Boom. That's how I grind my flax seeds. Boop. Look at that. Perfect. Perfectly ground flax seeds. I have this. I have held on to this coffee grinder for ages. My Meemaw gave us this coffee grinder as a wedding gift. And years ago, the little plastic tab in the lid that pushes down to make the coffee grinder broke. But I figured out I could take this pin cap and with the, see my little plastic top came off? But I figured out I could still get it to work if I took this pin cap and I shoved it down into the hole and I could still make it grind. So the motor works great, still strong as ever, 19 years. When this passes on, I will truly cry because this is the last thing my grandmother gave me. I just think this is awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. It's the last thing she gave me? Yeah, she passed. I don't want to think about that. Okay, anyways, there we go. So that's how I grind my coffee grinder. I mean, that's how I grind my seeds. Okay. So I need 5 tablespoons of ground flaxseed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at that. With 1 tablespoon left. I gotta figure out what to do with that now. Okay. Okay. 4 cups of flour. I'm using whole wheat pastry flour because that's what I have on hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna leave. I know I'm gonna have to leave this out. What's next? 3 tablespoons of organic sugar. Remember, I'm making the biscuit mix first. 1, 2, 3. 2 tablespoons of baking powder. I love it, y'all are working on your Christmas list. I love it. 1, 2. Okay, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. All right, let me get that all stirred up. That's not going to pick up that seed though. Trying to make sure I get it good and folded so those seeds come through. Y'all, I see y'all are talking about Vitamixes. I got my Vitamix from the Vitamix website, straight from them, and I went over to the refurbished blenders, the refurbished Vitamixes, and I saved like $150 by buying a refurbished. And I get the same, they offer the same warranty, all the same goodies, the cookbook and all that stuff. It's the same horsepower, and you have an opportunity to have get one of the professional ones for less. And anyways, it was worth it. And I took the $150 that I was saving on the mixer, and I bought that dry container that's $149. So I still spent what I'd spend on buying one brand new Vitamix, but I got the dry container to boot, so that was well worth it. And I've never had any problems with my refurbished blender. Okay, I'm getting mixed now. Now I need to turn the page. Now we're ready for the fluffy biscuits. Okay, we need 2 cups of this. Maybe I can feel the ground flax seeds. 1. 2. All right, and the rest of this is gonna go up. Now look, now I got pancake mix ready. Yay! I'll deal with that later. Okay, next, 3rd cup. Oh, you know what? I need to read the directions. I'm reading. Okay, so here's what I'm supposed to do. I got the oven preheated to 400 degrees, and I'm going to line a baking sheet with parchment paper, silicone baking mat. I'm going to put the mix and the butter in a medium bowl, and using a pastry cutter or a fork, I'm going to work the butter into the flour so that it resembles cornmeal. Then I'm going to form a well in the center and pour in the milk and vinegar and lightly stir to combine. It doesn't need to be smooth. The dough should be rough looking. Use a spoon to drop lumps of the dough onto the baking sheet and bake for 15 minutes until lightly golden. Biscuits are best hot out of the oven. If you want to keep them around for a day or two, let them cool completely and then store in a Ziploc bag at room temperature. Then reheat in the oven to refresh them. Oven's ready. Okay, I can do that. Sounds doable. Okay, where's my butter? You see me? Oh, there it is. Okay. 1/3 cup butter. 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 Y'all remember that? Parquet. Butter. No, it's parquet. Butter. It's parquet. Butter. And then they take a taste. It is butter. Parquet. Remember that? Remember? Let's tell off on our age. Alright, there we go. Maggie's gonna love me. She has no idea we're having biscuits. Okay. Boom. Cornmeal, huh? I'm going to work with a fork. I don't have a pastry cutter. And my flaxseed stuff is not, it's cold, but it's not, it's a soft spread, so if I stuck my hands in here, I think it would get all over me. Oh, this is going to be easy. I wish y'all could see this. Hold on. There we go. Now you can watch me you can watch this come together. Somebody bend my fork. Ah, there we go. Cornmeal, she says. Work it until it resembles cornmeal. Does it look like cornmeal to you yet? I got some lumps. Hold on. Look at that. And I'm getting a workout too. My arm's getting tired. Is it cornmeal yet? Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my goodness. That looks close enough, doesn't it? That's close enough. That's pretty good. All right. Make my well. Well. Okay, there we go. What? How much milk? 3/4 cup. And now, if I'd been doing this not on the fly, I would have put the vinegar into my milk, and then we'd have buttermilk. Can y'all see that? I'm making my buttermilk here. I'm gonna give that just a minute. Give that 30 seconds. I'm gonna have me some instant buttermilk. Hey, that's not it. That's the milk carton. That's the milk carton, silly. Okay, look. Instant buttermilk. Actually, I'd probably put more than that, more than a teaspoon. La lee lee la la la. La, 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 la. It's thicker. It's not as thick as it could be. All right, here we go. Are we ready? We ready? Start to combine. It doesn't need to be smooth. All right, here we go. I'm trying to decide how I want to stir this. Let's go forks. Let's go forks. This is going to be wet. I can already see it. It's going to be a wet dough. Very wet. All right, there we go. I'm leaving it rough. Make sure there's no flour pockets here. All right, I'm good. Can y'all see that okay? Okay. Let me clear my space. Find my baking pan. I need a baking pan. All right. Pull back just a little. Okay. How many is this gonna make me? 12 biscuits. That's supposed to make 12 biscuits. 12 small biscuits. She is obviously not a Texan. I'll go this way. All right, so how about like that? Excuse me. It's morning time. Hope you didn't hear that. If you did, oh well. Sun's coming up. I might be making these kind of big. Ooh, I'm not going to make it to 12. I'm making them too big. Oh, I got 9. I'm going to have 10. I'm making 10. Where's my spatula? What did I do with my spatula? Did y'all see it? Where is it? Where is my spatula? Oh, I see my spatula. There it is, under the towel. I'm gonna scrape out a 10th biscuit. Waste nothing. All right, there we go. That's it. See, I cleaned the bowl. Got 1 biscuit left. Okay. There we go. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Got that oven hot and ready, baby, just like me. What'd she say? How long? How long? How long? 15 minutes or so. I don't have an or so on my timer. I'm scared. I'm going to look at 12. I'm going to check at 12 minutes, see where we are, and then go to 15. Okay, now I got to clean up. Now you gotta watch me wash my dishes. Oh, and I gotta put up my biscuit mix. Trying to think, you think I ought to put my biscuit mix in the refrigerator? I got that ground flaxseed in there, and I don't know if I'm going to make pancakes anytime soon. I might put those in the fridge just because of I'm kind of worried that the ground flaxseed will get, you know, go rancid before I get a chance to use up the mix. All right, what am I going to put this in? I need a gallon bag. I need to write biscuit mix on it. Come on. Where's my marker? Biscuit mix and pancake. Pancake and biscuit mix. Can y'all hold this bag open for me? Marilee's here. Hi, Marilee. Oh my gosh. Flour's bigger than the mouth of the bag. I did it. I did it. Oh, my nose is itching. Why's my nose itching now? Okay, I'm putting this in I'm going to put it in the freezer because I have more room in the freezer. That's what I'm going to do. 2 minutes. 2 minutes and the biscuits will be ready. And I'm running out of battery space. I need some jelly. I got some organic strawberry jelly. Maggie's going to want some butter. I don't even know why I put that up. Well, I wish I had some hash browns. Well, I have some, but I wish I'd cook some. That was the last of my flaxseed, so I'm thinking I'm going to try using chia seed for a while for my egg replacement. Georgia Curry loves my ears. Thank you. Oh, it's time. Oh, it's biscuit time. It's biscuit. It's biscuit time. Let's see if they're ready. Oh my gosh, they grow. They've grown. Come here, you're too far away. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, look. Look. Well, they feel solid. There's a little bit of spring in there. I don't know. Let's bust one open and see. This one had that one might be a little loose. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Can you see that all right? Oh, that's spot on. I thought that was going to be wet. Oh my goodness, can y'all see that okay? Oh, look at that. Can you see the vapors? Oh my gosh. The steam. No, I'm not putting that in my mouth. Y'all are crazy. Okay. All right, let's put these over on the cooling rack. And I'm gonna, while the oven is hot, I'm gonna pop some hash browns, some frozen hash browns in the oven. Look at that. Look at that big old biscuit. Oh yeah. They're still lightly Very lightly toasted. I probably could go a little farther. I mean, a minute or two longer. But then I might get them too dry. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Those are so pretty. Okay, hold on. I want to throw some hash browns on this sheet. Some more hash browns. Hi, Poncho. There's Poncho. He wants a biscuit too. Look at him, standing by. There he is. What are you doing, Poncho? Can you see? Where are you? Can you see? There he is. Poncho's Biscuit Patrol. He's the Biscuit Patrol. Time to find out what the family thinks. Margarine in it or something else. Sorry, I'm like. Yes. In this biscuit recipe, she called for. She's got a recipe for making our own butter, and of course I'm on the fly here, so I keep on hand the Smart Balance Light with the flaxseed oil. It's totally vegan, and I keep this on hand. Keeping it real here. This is for Maggie and moments of. Cornbread moments, and you ready? And biscuit moments. There's the sweet Maggie face.
Hi.
Team Broccoli says mine turned out to be a little more fluffy muffin texture.
Ooh.
I used applesauce, and I have no butter. Here you go.
Got some fluffy muffins?
Yep. All right. There's a little bit of butter left over there, and then here's some strawberry stuff. Get in the flag. We want to see. Vegan Chica says hi.
Hi, Vegan Chica. Good morning.
All right, I'm trying mine straight up. These are good. Oh, the sun's coming up. Oh my gosh.
All right, I'm
Wait,
digging in.
man.
Hey, where's this broken one here?
I had to check to make sure it was cooked all the way through.
Eating.
Eat some plates.
Breakfast zombies. Here they come. Yeah, it's all clean.
What?
Yeah, that's for the jelly.
Okay, here you go.
Here's a spoon.
Okay.
All right. What do you really think?
It's so delicious. They're the best thing in the world. Strawberry dumplings that you make.
Oh, good. Oh my gosh, they're good.
It's like the same as all the other ones that you make.
Annette says hi, Charlie.
No.
These are really good.
They have a great taste. It must be the flaxseed or the sugar. That's what it is.
Really
Annette
good.
says hi, Max.
Hmm?
Annette says hi. Oh.
Dishing out the insides and.
Scoop it up. I've got some hash browns coming.
What about my hello? That's pretty good.
That was pretty good. I think I have to make a double batch.
That's how it looks like.
Trying to slide them up on the floor.
There you go. Oh, yeah.
Put it up to your chest.
You want some biscuit with that jelly? Vanessa says
What?
hi. I said, you want some biscuit with that jelly?
Hey, how do?
Why you didn't say if it was good?
What's good?
I feel like it.
It's delicious.
I think it's the
Sorry.
sugar in the
Sorry.
in the biscuit.
I didn't say that out loud.
No. These are good. Okay, double the recipe because look, they just came through and look, there's only 4 left.
Look, there's only 3 left.
There's only 3 left.
Hey, what the heck?
Ah.
Okay. Macy's here.
Hi, Macy.
Can you post the recipe? I think I can.
Yeah, I think it can. I think it can.
I will. Don't tell me Yoko though, because I haven't asked for permission. Oh my gosh, there's only 3 left.
Come on now.
Take your own time. Hey, get your hands. Hands on my jelly. My jelly.
You know there's other spoons.
No, there is.
No, there's not one. This is the only spoon in the world.
There's only one.
Finding the right thing.
Alright, I'm claiming this one. Stick my finger in it. So it's not, I don't know what to eat. Wait,
That
I'm
won't
licking it.
That won't save it.
I'm licking it.
That won't save it.
Show where I'm going to be able to save it. These are good. Okay, first recipe out of the book is good. Definitely double it though. Because, you know, if I had doubled these, I could make a soup for this afternoon, and then we have like something to dunk in our soup. It probably wouldn't help. Max is gonna come down here. He's not gonna know that I licked it. He's gonna eat it anyways. I'll poke them all. Just eat them all, hide them. Well, that was the first recipe. Vanessa, I just got the book yesterday. I read off everything earlier. Go back and watch the broadcast. I read every recipe that's in the book. And the biscuits seemed the easiest to do right off the bat on the fly. And so I made them. So if the biscuits are anything like the rest of the book, it's good. It's going to be a good book. There's a lot of things in there I'd like to know how to make, like Dijon mustard. There's a pumpkin dinner rolls. I don't know. Oh no, we got to find out. Hold on, I'm gonna pop you off the tripod. Oh my gosh, I'm not giving him my biscuit. He can have one of these others. Let's find out. Hunto, you want a vegan biscuit? Look, no, smell it. Oh my goodness, there you go. Uh-oh, it's kind of crumbly. Don't go anywhere. Is it good? What do you think? You want another piece? He is mellow this morning. What do you think? Don't forget these crumbs. He doesn't seem super excited, does he? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, hold on. I got low power and I'm running out of time. Taste test approved by Pancho. That's right. Okay, I'm running out of time, y'all. And I'm running out of battery, so I can't even start another hang with because I don't have enough strength to carry on. All right, I'm going to let y'all go. I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.